Hello everyone. Now today we will discuss remaining topic of chapter 1. Previous class we have discussed about hardware. Now today we will discuss about software. Software is a collection of programs which controls the hardware. Software is classified basically into two categories: system software and application software. First, system software. It performs the basic functions that are necessary to operate a computer system. It controls the various resources of a computer system. The operating system, that is called OS. OS means operating system. The operating system is an example of system software. Now you can see what is operating system. There are so many operating systems are there, like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. These all are example of operating system. Next, application software. Application software consists of programs that are designed to do specific tasks such as payroll, inventory, word processing, graphics, spreadsheet and desktop publishing. It means we can say those software we are working nowadays, these all are called application software. Word processing, PowerPoint, these all are called application software. Next topic is knowing the configuration of your computer. Sometimes we want to check the configuration of computer. Configuration means version of operating system, kind of processor, total memory, RAM installed, capacity of hard disk drive. These all are called configurations. We want to check what is the configuration. So that time we can check ourselves. I am telling some steps how we will check these configuration in our computer or laptop. How can you do it? First, open control panel, then click system and security options, then click system options. The system window appears. Then we can view basic informations about our computer, like version of operating system, type of processor and total memory installed. These are the steps to know configuration of our computer. Next topic is data hierarchy. What is data hierarchy? As we all know that data refer to raw facts and figures that may consist alphabet, number, sound, pictures and images. The data is stored in the form of bits and bytes in a computer database. Bit is the smallest unit. Bit means 0 and 1. The computer understands only bit. Then next, byte. Byte means a byte is a collection of 8 bits. 8 bits equal 1 byte. So bit and then byte, and then field, record, file, database. These are the terms of data hierarchy. Next, troubleshooting tips. Troubleshooting tips. What is troubleshooting tips? Detecting the problem in a computer system when it is not working properly, it is called troubleshooting. It means we can say if computer is not working or computer have some problem, then that is called troubleshooting. So it can be any problem. For example, we will discuss here some points. Sometimes computer is not turning on. We are switching on computer, but computer is not turning on. So what can be solutions? And it can be some solution I can tell you. We can check the power supply. Sometimes power supply is not connected properly and we are trying to computer switching on. So we can check the power supply of UPS, power supply of CPU and power supply of monitor. It can be a problem of computer is not turning on. Then next, mouse is not working. We are using mouse, but mouse is not functioning properly. So you can check the mouse whether it is properly connected to its port of the CPU or not. You can check it. Next, keyboard is not working. You can check if the cables are correctly connected. If connect, then it connect it again and check it, or otherwise it can be loose connections. You can check it. Then next, no sound. You are using a microphone or headphone but sound is not coming. Then what can be solution for this? You can make sure that speaker's port is attached to the CPU box. Or second, make sure that the power supply to speaker is proper or speakers are on. It can be a reason. Then next is computer is not responding. You are using computer, you are using keyboard or either mouse, but computer is not giving any response. Then what can you do? That time, suppose we are working on computer and your system suddenly stops. It's responding to your commands. We say that our computer is hung. In this condition, our mouse or keyboard might not respond. So what can we do? We can close the applications if possible, and then open the task manager using a start button. The task manager window appears. Then if there is any problem with some applications, we see the not responding message in the status column. Select the applications. Now click on the end task button to terminate the problem. If the problem is still there, then what you will do? We will restart our computer. So there is some solution of the problems. Now some internal assessment, some MCQs are there. Software are the set of programs, files, data. Correct answer is programs. A computer represents data using digit 1 and 2, 0 and 2, 0 and 1. So as I taught just now, 0 and 1, it means bit. Computer understands only 0 and 1. Question number 3. A file is a collection of related records. That is called records. File is a collection of related records. Thank you.